Hey friends, it's Brad Hussey here. My wife was telling me she's on my email list. Whenever I send out a marketing email, hey, an email from Brad, this is cute. And then she gets very disappointed when she reads it's like a pitch to a course. I thought, you know what? I should fix that. I should use the power of email automation and the very service I provide my clients and just make it so that anytime my wife gets a marketing email from me, it's just a cute little love note or an invitation to dinner. I just thought I'd show you a little something about how I might go about solving this problem and also pass it on to you folks so that you can do the same for your spouse. Here I am in a cool little website called testmyliquid.com. A little bit of a dodgy name, but Brennan Dunn, good job on this site. I use it to test my liquid, which basically just assigns a random number. I get a number between 1 and 3. If it's number 1, it'll be steak dinner. If it's number 2, tacos, and then 3 will be butter chicken. Anytime I send an email, I want to check to see if it's my wife. If it's my wife, I want to invite her to one of 3 dinners randomly. So in my ConvertKit, I have a template called standard email plus wife condition, which the template that will take into account if it's my wife or not. I check to see if the subscriber status. So in my wife's profile, I just put wife. It will check to see if it's my wife. It'll send a little message that says, hey babe, just wanted to say love ya. And then random food tonight, Bradley, else message content with the email sign off. And at the very top, I put that liquid code that I just showed you. Here is a broadcast. I'm using the wife condition email template, and it's a marketing email. I'm going to pitch you something in hopes you'll purchase it so I could take my wife out to dinner. Thank you. Link to buy. But if I preview this as my wife, he will say, hey babe, just wanted to say love ya. Tacos tonight? Bradley. And that will change every time. Theoretically, if I set this up and send it, she'll get a random invitation to dinner instead of a marketing email. I think it's very smart. She might unsubscribe from my list, then she won't get these at all, and maybe somehow my code breaks and then people on my list get a random dinner invitation, and that might be weird. So I might not actually deploy this, but I just thought, hey, this is fun to show. And if you want help in a more serious way with your ConvertKit, with your email strategy, I'd love to help you out. Check out doneinOneday.co. Cheers.